Hi guys, I am Divanshu, and in this tutorial we will scrape local leads using the native integration of Scrapingdog with Google Sheets. So this integration allows non-developers to use the Google Maps scraper easily. To use this, you just have to go to your Google Sheets, then go to extensions, add-ons and get add-ons. Over here you have to type the Scrapingdog and simply install it. Once you install it, you will see that the Scrapingdog icon will appear on your side panel, and when you click the Scrapingdog icon you will get this sort of options. So for this tutorial we are going to use Google Maps scraper. Simply click it, and to use this you need your API key. You get your API key when you sign up for Scrapingdog. I have my API key. Simply paste your API key over here. Search query is the category for which you are scraping leads for. So let's suppose we are looking for coffee shops. Then coordinates is latitude and longitude. You can get it from Google Maps. So when you go to Google Maps and type in your location over here, the URL gives you latitude and longitude. Let's copy it and paste it over here. Pages to scrape is the number of pages you want to get data from. Let's suppose we select only one. You can select 5, 10, 15, 20. Let's click start scraping button. So now you can see that our Google Sheets is now getting populated from the data that we get from Google Maps. So you get data of rating, reviews, address, website, phone, type and Google Maps URL. This way you can use Google Sheet to scrape Google Maps without using any third-party tool or any programming language, and you just need to have the Google Map add-on, the Scrapingdog's add-on in your Google Sheet. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.